Welcome back, my dear students of class 8. In this chapter 15 of light, you are going to learn about the different kinds of the multiple images. Now, the multiple images, how does the multiple images are formed, that you will be able to learn with this video and notes. Okay? So, multiple images, how does the example, several examples are there of the multiple images like periscope. If you consult your book, you will see the diagram of the periscope, which is used in the submarine to see the object in the ocean, to see the enemy in the ocean, and the soldiers which are living inside the submarine, they will be able to see the object without coming up to the surface. In the deep sea, they will be able to see. And another example of the multiple images are the different types of the choreography, different types of the picturization of the different films. You will see the different images. And the game of these different images, the multiple images, are due to the setting of the plane mirrors at the different angles. So you will see, if you will consult the book, the complete explanation will be there. You will see that how does the multiple images are formed. So consult your book. There are activity also that you will be able to do the activity in the lab when the school will be reopened. And there are another example of the kaleidoscope. 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 My dear friend, you can make this kaleidoscope with some material like some pieces of the plane mirror, some pieces, small pieces of the plane mirror. Then you will arrange a triangle, a triangular shape. You will arrange a triangular body. Triangular body means the body which is arranged in triangle. One, then another piece that will be arranged, and that will be it will act as the kaleidoscope. And inside this whole body, you will fill the different pieces of the different colors charts, different colors that you will fill in these pieces, and these pieces, they will, if you see this kaleidoscope in the light, then you will see the different colorful lights you will observe in this kaleidoscope. So my dear students, kaleidoscope, that you have to make the kaleidoscope in the laboratory for the exhibition purpose, to see the things. Okay, so these are the examples: periscope, kaleidoscope, multiple images are formed in these instruments. My dear students, how does light get dispersed now? The dispersion of light now. So the dispersion of light, you will be able to see the prism. You will be able to see the prism and the dispersion of light with the example of the prism. My dear students, somehow if you suck the water and you flow the bubble, water bubble from a small pipe, you will see the different color in the bubble. That is the dispersion of the light. My dear student, if you will see the rainbow in the rainy season, that is having the 7 colors. In 7 colors are there, and these 7 colors of the light spectrum, they get spread by the medium which is formed in the sky. And these 7 colors that you can see in the lab itself with the help of the prism, this is known as prism. So what happens if the different lights are coming here, the light beams are coming here, then this light start dispersing. This light start dispersing from this prism. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The sun ray, the light entering into the prism, which is act as the medium, that light get dispersed into the screen, and the dispersion of light takes place, which results the splitting of light ray into the 7 colors. 7 colors are indigo, red, orange, yellow, okay, green. These are the different colors that you will see in the dispersion of light and rainbow. Now my dear student, now next topic, that is the structure of human eye. Structure of human eye. That human eye is bearing a lens. Human eye is bearing a lens, and the structure of the human eye, that you have to see the diagram that is given in the book. I will not repeat over here, but I will repeat the things. I will give you the things about this one, the correction of the different diseases in the eye. So human eye is the apparatus, is the organ which is bearing the lens. The light entering into the eye, that is passed through the lens, and the image is formed on the retina. If image is not formed on the proper retinal wall, if image is formed behind the retina or image is formed before the retina, then there will be the problem of visibility. There will be the problem of visibility. So the defects, that impairment of the vision is known as the defects of the vision. That defect are of two types. So see how the eye defects. Now I am coming on the next topic, that is known as human eye and correction of the vision. Human eye and correction of the vision, that is directly linked to the lenses. So there are two types of the eye. One is myopic eye, means in myopia we can see, in myopic eye, the myopic eye can see the nearer object clear, but not able to see the object which is located at the far away from the eye. That is known as myopia. While hypermetropia means long sightedness. In hypermetropia, the object situated at the distant away from the eye, that will be seen, but the object situated nearer the eye, that will be not seen. So these two types of the vision defects are there, and in this video you will see that how these defect visions will be corrected. So see this. Myopia. Myopia means, this myopia is that, take the example that this is the human eye, and the image is formed before the retina. Image is formed before the retina. Here image is formed. This is the lens, and this is the normal. The ray is coming in this and cutting at this. The ray is coming in this and cutting. So image is formed at this point. Then it will be corrected by putting another lens. It will be corrected by putting another lens, so that it gets somehow reflected. So how then it will be corrected? It will be corrected by putting a lens, and if this is the median point, then the ray is coming here, get refracted here, and that will be here. Then ray is coming here, that get refracted, and the ray will come. Then this ray get refracted and it will come. So the image will be formed here at retina by putting a convex lens in the optics. Convex lens. Concave lens. This is the concave lens. Concave lens. So this is the correction of the myopic eye. But in hypermetropic eye, in hypermetropic eye, if this eye is the hypermetropic means if this is the eye and this eye is not able to form the image on the retina, means this is the normal, so the rays are coming and they are going behind the retina. They are going behind the retina and image will be formed behind the retina. So to correct it, we have to put a convex lens. We have to put a convex lens apart from the retinal lens to correct it. So ray will come here, that get synchronized here and come here. It will come here. Then this ray will come here, then synchronize here and come here. So image will be formed at this point. So my dear student, these are the vision defects of different types of the human, and by the correction you have to correct the eyes and things will be the normal. My dear student, the last topic is the Braille. We have to take care of our eyes. Eyes should be always clean. Eyes should be always neat and clean. We have to wash our eyes. We should not put our dirty hand on the eyes. So to take care of the eyes, eye will be the longer life. Now Braille language is the language that is for the vision impairment, that is for the blind persons. They can touch the surface, and by touching the surface they will be able to understand the language which is putting over there. Means if this is the surface, they will touch that, whether that is the one dot or two dot like this. So they will learn these the signals, and by putting these signals like this or like this, they will be able to understand the language which is dictated to them. So my dear student, at last I can conclude this chapter that the light, you can go through on my YouTube channel, you will get the full video. So many videos are there about the light, and you can learn so many things, because previously in the period of lockdown, so many videos are formed. That video also you have to see to learn this chapter. And in the next video I will be able to explain the next chapter. This chapter, the exercise of this chapter has been already done. If not done, then the exercise will be taken care of. The next video will be for the exercise of this chapter. So thank you very much. Thank you.